Here's how we dig for bugs. So I'm digging up this plant to take with to our new house. Pull it up. Now we'll lift it up for them and see what they find. Ugh. Oh! Alright. You see any, you guys? They're looking. Oh, looks like Bubbles got one. Here, if I lift up this rose bush, maybe they'll see one on it. You guys see one? Alright, let's look inside the hole. Woo! This rose bush got all tangled up. Okay. You see anything that you like, Coco? Oh, he always finds them the fastest. We'll be back.